Hello everyone, Mimo here with yet another pine. I know I'm starting to repeat myself, but I still have few pines that I need to do the maintenance on. So I thought, why shouldn't I show them to you? I don't have a picture of this tree right after collection, unfortunately, but I am going to show you a few pics from a place where I collect these pines. This used to be an irrigation pool for our used to be orchard that was built in a communist regime. After communist regime fell in Slovakia, in Czechoslovakia back then, nobody was taking care of it anymore. Over the years, dirt accumulated in the cracks between these concrete slabs and where they are joined. The seeds started to grow and new trees started to appear. Some of them got roots that go deep beneath these concrete slabs, and it's impossible to remove them safely. But some of them got roots that grow horizontally over these concrete slabs in the dirt that got accumulated there. So it's usually just a matter of lifting up the tree and cutting around the root ball. So after I collected this tree, I planted it in a plastic container. It had very shallow root ball as all of these trees. So after about a year or two, at the meeting of our bonsai club, I did the first styling of this tree. This is how it looked right after the styling. I kept the branch on the right side with the foliage at the very end of it, just for the sake of the health of the tree, and I only removed it about a year later. You can see here this tree had huge needles, as all of these trees, after I fertilized them for the first couple of years properly. It also had very few branches after the first styling. So my main job today is removing the old needles. After removing old needles on quite a few of my other pines, I find it quite boring to do it again, and I really wish I was some kind of legend as Mr. Kimura, for example, and I could have my own apprentices that would do the boring job for me. Actually, I got an idea.
In other news, Slovakian man has been charged with using illegal child labor in his bonsai shop. Our investigation team managed to get a video from a hidden camera and even the interview with the kids themselves.
How much does Daddy pay you per tree?
Lollipop.
Eventually I had to overcome my laziness and do it, because nobody else would do it for me, right? So here I am with this tree, and let's have a closer look at it now. I am not going to detail wire this tree now because there's still some laziness left in me, but I am going to remove this awkward gin. As you can see, there is some slight movement in here and it looks nice, but this gin is very straight. So as was planned right after the first styling, I need to shorten it up to somewhere here. I really should have dealt with this gin when it was still fresh and pliable. Look at this amazing bark on this trunk. So again, thanks for watching, and remember to
Like, subscribe.
subscribe. Nie, jeszcze raz. Like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe.
Katku, to dobre.